Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now construct a minimal DFA over A comma B such that set of all string contain A. Now this string will contain A, so whether it is starting with A or B, it's not our concern, it should contain A, okay, like A, B, A. So it is having A, then fine, accept it. B, A, whether at last it is having A or in the beginning or middle, it is not our concern. If it is having only A, accept it. Means belongs to the language. Any number of A contains it. B, like this. So if here we will construct a minimal DFA such that if it is only having if we are having only one A, then accept it. Or after that any number of A also if you are having, then also we will accept it. Now initial state, if you are getting A, accept it. Now it's containing A, accept it. Now before getting this A, I can have any number of B, I have to wait here. Because we will the language is containing set of all string where it is containing A. If you are getting A, accept it. After that if you are getting, you got A. After that if you are getting any number of A or any number of B, fine, it is already having A. So after that if you are getting any number of A, B there only.